Hello, today we will be making this gold material in Cinema 4D and this will be our final output. So let's start. Okay, so here we are in Cinema 4D, open a new project and firstly we will insert a plane. So go over here and click on plane. Then resize this plane to 10,000 and height also to 10,000. Then zoom in little bit, zoom out. Okay, next we will make a golden brick and then we will apply our golden material on that brick. So to make that brick, insert a cube. Okay, next change the size of this cube to x 1000, y keep it 200 and z make it 300. Perfect. Next go to coordinates and change this y value to 100. Okay, so this is how it looks like now. Next, make this cube editable by clicking on this editable button. Then click on this polygons. Come over here and select this top surface. Click T on your keyboard like this and then hold your left mouse button and drag it inside like this and come over here and change this X value to 900 and Z value to 270. Okay, so now our brick is ready. We will make further adjustment. So click over this edges, select all this edge, use shift key and select them all one by one like this one, and lastly rotate and select this last one also. Again rotate it back, zoom in. Okay, so now right click and click on bevel. Then click on this one of the edge and drag your mouse like this. Perfect. Now come over here in this offset value, make it 12 and subdivision, make it 12. Now come over here, click on display and click on Gouraud shading lines. So this is how it now looks like. Go back, display Gouraud shading, click on model. Okay, so our brick is ready. Next we will label our brick. So zoom out little bit, go to MoGraph and select more text and then click on this more text and bring it up. Click E on your keyboard and move this gold text up. Okay, now click on this more text, go to object and change this text value. Type fine, enter gold, enter 999.9 and make this alignment middle and change the height to 65. Perfect, this looks good. Now go to coordinates and change this RH value, increase it and make it 90. Rotate a bit. Now come to this RP value and decrease it, make it -90, -90. Here it is. Now move this downward and make sure that Y value is 215. Enter. Now bring it backward like this. Now click on F2 to bring back to this top view and make sure that this is aligned properly somewhere like this. Click back and go to F1. This is our perspective view. Next, make a copy of this more text. So Control C and Control V and then drag it little bit backward like this. Now click on this object over here and change this text value, delete it and type net weight 1000 gram. Perfect. Change this height to 30 centimeter and then come over here and move it little bit downward. Now select this both more text, use shift key and click alt plus G, which will make a group of them. Now rename it to label. Now next go over here and bring a bull. Then select this label and select this cube. Before that, bring this cube little bit upward. Now we have cube on top and label on bottom. Select both of them using shift key, drag them and make them child of this bull object. And this will make our text look like this. And this is perfect. Next, come to this bull, double click and name it brick 1. Now come over here, click outside and then click on this brick 1, minimize it and then Control C and Control V and then rename this brick 1, make it brick 2. Come over here and drag it towards backside like this. Next come to brick 2, Control C and Control V, rename it and make it brick 3. Enter. And then come over here, click on this brick 3 and then come over here and move it upward like this and move it little bit towards the front like this and change this Y value to 200. Enter. Okay, this looks good. Let's rotate and see the placement. Okay, this is fine. Now again, lastly click on this brick 3, Control C and Control V and rename this to brick 4. So this will be our last brick. And then come over here and drag it towards the front. Zoom in. Next click R on your keyboard and rotate it like this. And then rotate from here like this. Click E on your keyboard and move it upward. Okay, move it further up like this. Click R on your keyboard and rotate it little bit towards the front. Perfect. So all of our bricks are now ready. Now firstly we will create a material for this floor. So come over here, click on create and click on new default material and then double click on this newly created material. Come to color, click on this and make sure that you clicked on HSV and then change this value H to 0, S to 0 and V to 80%. And then come to reflectance, click on layers, click on add and add reflection legacy. Then click on layer 1 and make sure that this roughness is 10%, reflection strength is 100, specular strength is 20 and bump strength is 100%. Then change this brightness value to 30%. Perfect. And then close this. Now drag this material and drop on this plane. Lastly, we will create the gold material now. So double click here, double click on this newly created material, click on this reflectance, click on add and click reflection legacy. Then click on this layer 1 and change this average value to metal. Make this roughness value 0% and then come over here on this texture, click here, go to surfaces and click on this metal and change this brightness to 30%. Then double click on this blue color, come over here and click on this, double click on this, click on RGB and change this value to 200, G 200 and B value 20. Click OK. Then double click on this color, click on RGB and change this value to 230, G 220 and B 100. Click OK. So this is our gold material. Go back and close it. Lastly, we will insert a sky. So click over here and insert a sky. And then we will make a material for this sky. So double click over here, double click on this newly created material, uncheck color, uncheck reflectance, go to luminance, check and change this texture. Click over here and select an HDRI image. I have already downloaded some of the HDRI image and I will use this one. Click no and you can download this HDRI image from this website HDRI Heaven. This is completely free. Go to this website over here and click on this outdoor category and you can download any one of them. I have used this one, Wide Street 02. Now come back to our project. Here we have selected this HDRI image, so close it. Then drag this sky material and drop over here on this sky, and come over here on this gold material and drag this on our gold brick. Okay, this looks good. Again, drop over other bricks like this. Again, drag and drop like this, and lastly drop on the last one. Perfect. So now the gold bricks are ready, the golden material is ready. Now we will do a final render setting. So click on this setting button over here, go to effects and select global illumination and change this samples value to high. Then again go to effect, select ambient occlusion and change this accuracy to 100% and maximum samples to 128. Then go to anti-aliasing and select this geometry and make it best. Go to output, change this preset, select film video and select HTTV 1080, this one. Next go to save and change this format to JPG and then choose a folder, select a folder like this, render images, name it one and save and close this. Now to render this image we will click shift plus R and this will render our output. So this will take maybe a minute or less, 40 to 50 second, but this quality will be awesome. So let's wait for it to let it render. So here it is. This is our final output and this is how it looks like. So if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, give me a like and thank you for watching. Have a good day.